Hello and welcome to Conveyor Accessories. Today we want to talk about our electric skiving knife. This tool is used to remove a portion of the top cover of the conveyor belt so that when you install your fasteners will be flush with the top cover of your belt, or we call recessed down, so that your fasteners are more scraper friendly and idler friendly on your conveyor systems. With this particular unit, there are 4 different sizes of blades or widths of blades that we have available. We have what we call our number 3, our number 4, number 5, and number 6 size blades. In each kit, we will provide the widest blade, the number 6 size blade, which comes in there, and that's what we'll use today for our demonstration purposes, because that removes the widest amount of top cover of the belt at one time. So I will set these aside. And I'll take one of the blades, and so that you can see better, I'm going to use a white background here to talk about the blade itself. Each blade comes made with a sharp side and a dull side, and obviously the sharp side is the one you want to move away from you or go into the belt as we're removing the top cover. This is the handle or actual unit itself that does the skiving. This unit is activated once you start to apply pressure. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it's a very slight movement, and that engages the switch that sends the electricity, if you will, or heat to the blade. The blade is mounted in this area here, which we have 2 sliding clamping devices. Depending on which width blade you're using, will determine what position these will be in. And also there are 2 slots in each one that you mount the blade in, and again that depends on which size blade that you're using. So we're going to mount it in the widest slot, which is there and there, and we'll just push it in. And so today in our demonstration we're going to use a 2-ply conveyor belt that has a 3/16 top cover. So we will remove about 1/8 of an inch of the top cover. So I'll take my tape measure and make sure our blade is at about 1/8 of an inch, about right there. So to tighten it in place, we have a T-handled Allen wrench. It's 3mm size that comes in the kit. And we will tighten the blade down. We got a good stud. All right. Remove our background, white background. Okay, with this particular tool we can do several different styles of fasteners. The rivet series, which includes the R2, R3, R5, etc., and the plate grip series like X550s, 375s, 140s, and 190s. We do have a chart, recommended skive length. So today for our demonstration we'll act like we're putting in an R5, and the skive length tells us on the chart it's 1.5 inches in length. So we will take our tape measure and we will measure back 1.5 inches with our silver marking pen. 1.5. Take a straight edge and make our mark. our guide line. Now this unit has 4 different heat settings. On the dial it says 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 being off. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is the different levels of amounts of electricity or voltage that comes to the gun. So using the number 6 blade, the wider blade, I like to set it at the 3 setting. Seems to work very well, but each person will, as they get used to the tool, will figure out which setting works best for them. So we know that the edge of our blade is approximately right in here, so I'll use that as a guideline with my mark that I made as a reference. And I'll do the farthest end of the sky first. It'll take 2 passes to get through. Alright, there's our first pass. Pretty clean. We'll come back and get our second pass. Alright, so there we have a skive ready to install our R5s. And when you get finished, obviously make sure you turn the unit off. And that's how you use our electric skiving knife. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email. But we'd like to thank you today for visiting our website, and I hope you have a great day.